Evolution has played a crucial role in shaping the adaptive nature of birds. You can see signs of this especially in diverse beak shapes and sizes, giving each species a tool for survival in its habitat.
It's 7 a.m., and the wildlife that call these parts of the Elie River home are starting their day. There is an infrequent visitor around. It has a striking appearance, most notably its bill, a beautiful work of art and a tool for survival. And what bird am I talking about? It's the white-faced ibis.
A single white-faced ibis stands alone, perusing its surroundings. This is a male in breeding plumage, his colorful feathers and vivid red eyes displaying his readiness for the season. Soon he is joined by others, and the morning ritual begins. It starts, as it often does, with grooming. Each feather is meticulously cleaned, a task undertaken with great care. The white-faced ibis possesses a long, downward curved bill, an evolutionary masterpiece shaped by the demands of its environment. This curved bill is no mere ornament. It is an essential tool, perfectly designed to probe into the mud, shallow waters, and soft soils where its food is hidden. Insects, crustaceans, small fish, all are within its reach, even in the most inaccessible of places. And, just as importantly, this bill serves as a precise instrument for grooming, allowing the ibis to maintain its sleek appearance. These are social creatures, and so it is not unusual to see them grooming in groups. With their long bill, they preen each feather with perfect precision, ensuring that every bit is in place before the day's activities commence. Once their grooming ritual is complete, the ibises begin their search for food. The sensitive tip of their bill, equipped with specialized receptors, detect the slightest movement in the water below.
The white-faced ibis shares its space with egrets and other herons, both with one common goal: survival.
An egret watches as the ibis feeds, its own focus unbroken. While egrets are known for their territorial nature with others of their kind, they allow the ibis to forage in peace. The ibises, in turn, feed together in close proximity, demonstrating their social bond. As they forage, the ibises dig deep into the landscape, feeling the vibrations in the water, helping them locate their prey. Through the relentless process of natural selection, the white-faced ibis has evolved into the marvel we witness today. Its bill, so elegantly curved, allows it to thrive in a variety of environments, adapting to different types of mud and water with ease. This adaptation has not only ensured its survival, but has made it a master of its own wetland domain. In flight, the white-faced ibis is no less striking. Its curved bill, a distinctive silhouette against the morning sky, stands as a testament to the intricate nature of evolution, a force that shapes life to fit perfectly within its habitat.
Birds have adapted over the years to their changing environment. The white-faced ibis is no exception, a remarkable testimony to the power of evolution.